Hello students, as you know, we are at fourth chapter of Hornbill, Landscape of the Soul. I have given you two more videos. Now I'm going to start the third part of chapter 4, Landscape of the Soul. In my last video, I told you the difference between the Chinese painting and Asian painting. Now, in the Chinese story, the emperor commissions a painting and appreciates its outer appearance. But the artist reveals to him the true meaning of his work. Okay? As you can understand, in Chinese story, although the emperor selected one painting, he appreciated this painting, but he was appreciating its outer appearance. Okay, he could not understand the real meaning of its work. Okay, the emperor could not understand the real meaning of the painting, and it was told him by the painter himself. The narrator says that the emperor may be rule over the territory he has conquered, but the artist knows the way within. Okay, although the king is ruler, he can rule every part, every city, every country he has conquered, but the real meaning of art can be understood by the painter only, the artist only. Only the artist know what is said in this painting. Okay, as I'm telling you, the artist can understand the real meaning of the painting. Let me show the way, the Tao, a word that means both the path or the method and the mysteries work in the universe. When Bu Daoji, okay, the painter, when he said to the king, let me show the way. Okay, he wanted to show the way inside the cave to the king. So this word means that both the part or the method and the mysteries works in the universe. Okay, how he disappeared from the cave, how the door was closed. As you know, it was a painting. Still, it was having so many mysteries, and the king could not understand. Only the artist made him to know all these things. So, as you know, we are discussing classical Chinese painting. So, a classical Chinese landscape is not meant to reproduce an actual view. Okay, in Chinese landscape, the actual view is not reproduced. That we have seen mountains, we have just drawn it, and whatever the nature aspect we have seen and we have drawn only as both a Western figurative painting. Okay, in Western painting, the paintings become figurative, means they just figure it out. There become no illusion, there become no any mystery and these things. Okay, there are two types of art paintings: illusionistic in Asia and figurative in Europe, okay, in Western. So, in Western countries, in European painting, the painter wants us to borrow his eye to look at a particular landscape exactly as he saw it from a